Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So for dinner tonight, Michael has requested that we try this viral TikTok pasta recipe that he saw. It's really simple from what it looks like. There's no recipe to it, at least from what he showed me, but the basic concept seems easy enough for anybody to do. So all they did, they made some pasta, which I've pre-cooked some pasta. They took some grape or cherry tomatoes, which is what we've got right here. We're going to pour them in the pan. And a block of feta cheese. And just put that in the center. Ooh, that's a bad tomato. And they just spread it out. Yes, sir?
Can you open this for me? Play-Doh.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now the difference
I made
with...
silly.
You made it silly?
No, I did.
Oh. The difference is they had a block of feta on the video, and I have the crumbled feta. I'm hoping it'll work the same way. I don't really know why it wouldn't. I think my cherry tomatoes are getting a little past the date. The rest of them look pretty good. But I'm just going to pour about half, maybe a little bit more than half, in the center of this. Like I said, it didn't have a recipe or cooking temperature or time, so I'm going to kind of go with my judgment, and I'll let y'all know. But just tomatoes, some feta. Again, they used a block, but I have some crumbles, some olive oil. And this is basically, the reason if you're freaking out, that's a lot of olive oil. This is the whole sauce of the recipe. So this is everything that's going to cling to the pasta. And just some seasoning. Now we may end up adding a little salt at the end, but with feta being so salty, I'm not going to do that right at first. Let me just get these. But I've got the oven preheating to 400. And I actually think it's fully preheated. And I'm going to start with about 10 minutes because I don't know how long it'll take for the feta to cook, but the tomatoes will cook very quickly. So in about 5 minutes, I'm going to check on them, see if I need to toss them around or kind of move it at all, and see where we're at. But I'm excited to see if something this simple can be as amazing. Y'all hear the kids? As amazing as it's supposed to be since it went viral. But in the oven it goes. Okay, y'all, so 10 minutes was perfect. Now I did turn on the broiler on low for just a second just to get some of this a little more softened. It didn't really make a huge difference. I can mash it though. So I'm just going to kind of burst some of these and mix the olive oil in with the feta before.
Can you open this?
Yes, sir. Watch out, it's hot. There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So just kind of mix this around before. Is it empty?
Yeah.
Oh.
Papa made it empty.
And then we're going to add in our pasta. So I'm going to try and catch this little edge. It's got some olive oil.
Can you open this one, please?
Wait just 1 minute. I got some noodles on my hands.
Noodles?
Yes, noodles.
Can you open this one?
Don't touch it. It's hot. Does it look yummy?
Yeah, I want it for dinner.
Okay.
Are you having it for dinner?
Yes, ma'am. Alright, y'all. So at least we have some people already interested in it. But like I was saying, I'm not going to add any salt and pepper until we get it all mixed in. And I want to taste test because feta is very salty already. So I don't think that we'll need any salt. But we might want to add a little bit of pepper. And if you use a bigger pan, this won't be as big of an issue like this. But I used a small pan. But like I was saying, 400 for about 10 minutes, and then under the broiler for just like a minute and a half. And it came out perfect. So now we just have to see how the flavor is. And I'm just using little shell pasta because, again, that's what I have. And these are like the mini shells. I had used them for like, I think a macaroni salad or something about a week ago. So I just made the last part of that box. basically what creates your sauce is your olive oil, your seasonings, and the feta, the cheese and tomatoes. I'm sure you could add some more sauce to it if you like more of that tomatoey sauce. But sometimes simplicity is really is the best. So I'm excited. I think this will work. Now the tomatoes are going to be way too hot to taste test those. The basis of it is good. I might need to mash these tomatoes a little bit more to get that tomato-like flavor. I don't want to get a huge chunk of tomato. I just kind of want to taste the pasta. So I add a little bit of pepper on the top as well. Yeah, so it's not bad. Very bright. It still does need a little bit of salt. Hold on, let me stir it up for you. Let me smash up some of these bigger pieces of feta. I know you love feta, don't you?
I don't know what that is.
Our salad from Roki, the cheese that's on that.
Roki?
Yeah.
No, this is not from
This is not from Roki, but I was telling her the cheese that's on top of our salads that we get at Roki, that tomato is going to be very hot. Let's wait till that one. You want to taste it though?
that.
Test the noodles.
I don't. But when we're not going to work. I can cook with you.
You're going to cook with me?
Yeah, I'm going to cook with you now. Mom, can I cook with you now?
You like it? All right. So TikTok is good for
Can I cook
something.
with you now?
Yes.
I
So
need to
Thatcher, Mr. Michael found this on TikTok. So Thatcher's going to help finish stirring this up. Come on. And we're going to get it plated.
Do it.
We're going to get it plated and all served up. But TikTok was a win for this. I think if you have some fresh basil or something,
I'm going to try.
hold on, then that would be even better to add to this. But just be careful with your salt because feta is very salty. And mash up your tomatoes and stuff before you add the noodles because now that we have a little bit more information besides just a little video, I think that really would help a ton. But thank y'all for joining us. Like I said, this was, watch out, that's going to be really juicy. This was a win for us. And if y'all have any more suggestions, just send them our way. We'll try them out. We'll see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.
And how did you